What's going on, guys? Welcome to another VR video. Today we're going to the old stunt map with my brother. He also has a YouTube channel, so go subscribe to him. And anyways, let's go.
Cause I only got 3 subscribers.
Anyway, keep on telling me the steps.
Now get the tower grenade. Well,
Here it comes.
Get a tower grenade.
Why do I need a telegrenade?
Cause you need it. Now put it in your bag. Now what do I need? Oh, get a rocket and a hover pad. Take the hover pad and the rocket. Now follow me. Now drop these items, and then grab your thing, and then do this. Drop your items, and then do this. And then quickly grab them, and then you'll teleport back. Hold it on the ground, bounce. Okay, there you go. Don't roll down! Okay, come here, follow me.
I'm scared, I can't see. I can't see.
Now, once when you have done that, come here. Now, get your backpack, get your umbrella. Now, just drop your thing. Now, put it on your back, and then get that. Do this. Jump, use it.
Now just follow me.
I'm so scared!
Are you following me?
Yes! I'm coming. Bro, you're so far away.
God.
I'm coming, but my hoverboard keeps on dying.
Follow me. I found it!
I see it! I dropped my hoverboard. I'm just kidding.
No, you didn't.
Oh! I'm so slow! I'm gonna fall! I'm dead!
Yes! You made it!
Ah! Finally!
Yeah, that just
Why
drop
is
your
it
items.
secret?
Because nobody knows about it, and they just don't know how to get to it, and they don't know about it. Hey guys, they also
Well, this is
Yeah, they also have the VRs. Do you know that?
yeah, I'm checking this whole map out.
Oh, Tyler, guess what? Next update, you know, they're gonna be adding sewer.
They're gonna be adding what?
What? Is Maverick in the room with you?
No.
He said no.
Never mind, he is.
He said he is. He said never mind, he is. Tower, look.
Tyler, come to the cell machine.
The cell machine works. It works.
Get in there, little nub.
It works. The cell machine works.
Wait, you can't die, can you?
You can. Look.
Oh, help me! Save me! It made me respawn.
Why'd you die? Why'd you respawn?
It made me.
Tyler, do I have to die?
No, I'm coming back. I have a better strategy to get there.
That's... If you don't own them, then you're cooked.
I have a really good idea.
Buddies to do it, and bye.
Well, that's the end of the video. This is a short video, so make sure you like, subscribe, and peace out!